Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Lincoln Navigator. Stock number is 18G926A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe. Alloy wheels wrapped with Pirelli Scorpion tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. You have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera here on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Navigator on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.